What is up, guys? We are back. We are at the Ludlow projects just off of 40th Street and Thunderbird. And man, big changes since you've seen the project last time before you came here. Or I say, last time you were here, I'm sorry. You saw it before it was even demoed. So you're gonna notice a big change. Oh, first off, I want to show you that I'm excited about this. Doing the front door orange. It's gonna look nice right here on the back. That color, let's get a close up on that. What is it? Exotic Blossom is gonna pop. Never done it before, but I'm getting more ballsy with my door colors, and I think this one's gonna be really exciting. Anyways, carry on. So we started paint today, baseboards are in, tiles in, we have our island cabinets will be in on Monday, and then we have our dining room here. Everything was new drywall, new tape, new texture. We have all the electrical done. We are in the laundry room. There wasn't really a laundry room before. As you know, this was like a storage area, but it was part of the square footage. So we really want to make the space very functional. We have the carport on the outside. I'm going through the permit process to actually get that done so we can enclose that and give the individual, the end buyer that really wants his house, a 2-car garage. Because carports are mainly a big thing here. With the market being so strong right now, don't think it's necessary, but I think we'll be able to push it a little bit and get a little bit more on the end value when we go to sell this house. So, appliances will be here, I think on the 20th. So delayed. I went there for whatever their sale was, and he's like, oh yeah, you're gonna get them in like 6 weeks. I was like, I need them in 4 weeks, but anyways, that's another conversation. So we'll have the sink here, you're gonna have the range here, you're gonna have cabinets. There was no pantry, so we're making a big pantry cabinet right here. We're gonna put those really, really cute floating shelves here, put the plates, put the coffee cups, put the little green vines hanging. It's gonna say family. It's gonna be awesome. So we put a new sliding door. We're still doing the backyard. It's gonna be simple. We're gonna do a big chunk of grass, fake grass, and then probably like 60 tons of rock. It's a lot of rock. It's a lot. Whew. Here we'll come down the hallway. We're replacing these doors. Probably just use it for the linen closet. Here's where we have the water heater. I don't know if you can see the guest bathroom, so we'll pull out the handy dandy flashlight. Here we go. So this was all redone, it's painted. We have the white subway tile here. The little niche, and you can't see it. It's really, really pretty. It's really, really pretty, like aqua penny tiles. I'm also going to be painting the cabinet aqua to match and really stand out. It's gonna pop for photos. Really excited about that. You have your typical bedroom 1, bedroom 2. We got all new doors, all new casing along the sides here. We still did our 4¼ inch baseboards here. These are our new doors. And then here is our shower. Take a look at that tile. Isn't that tile pretty? I don't know what you call it, hexagon. You know, it almost looks like a little bit of like Palm Springs feel, which I really, really like. I haven't done a really color that pops in a while. Usually just do the whites, the blacks, the grays, and like kind of like the, what would you call it? Just the modern look. So I really wanted to start using more color on my projects, and this is the tile that I chose. We use Subway on the other side. We have your toilet here. We're gonna have the cabinet. We're gonna put some really cute decorative lighting. All of our hardware is gonna be black candles, black light fixtures, and a camera guy almost tripped. Careful there. We're gonna have black knobs. And yeah, this project really, really, really went quick. It was an easy one. We're just 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet. And we will be on the market. Make sure you don't trip over everything. Hopefully inside of 2 weeks. So the appliance will get here on the 20th. I'll probably have photos on the 21st. If you know anybody that's interested in this area, again, we're on 40th Street and Thunderbird, give me a call. I'd be happy to do some private showings because I feel like this property is gonna go fast with the cute stuff that we're gonna be doing to it. And yes, I said cute, men can say cute, and it's totally okay. So until then, next time, guys, see you later.